Tonight on the show, we're happy to host Professor Calestous Juma. Now, he's Professor of the Practice of International Development and Director of the Science, Technology and Globalization Project at the Harvard Kennedy School of Government. He directs the Agricultural Innovation in Africa project, funded by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and also serves as the faculty chair of the Innovation for Economic Development Executive Program. Juma is a former executive secretary of the UN Convention on Biological Diversity and a founding director of the African Center for Technology Studies in Nairobi. He's co-chair of the African Union's high-level panel on science, technology and innovation, and a jury member of the Queen Elizabeth Prize for Engineering. He was Chancellor of the University of Guyana and has been elected to serve several scientific academies, including the Royal Society of London, the US National Academy of Sciences, the World Academy of Sciences, the UK Royal Academy of Engineering, and the African Academy of Sciences. He's won several international awards for his work on sustainable development. He also holds a doctorate in science and technology policy studies and has written widely on science, technology, and environmental matters. Juma serves on the boards of several international bodies and is editor of the International Journal of Technology and Globalization and the International Journal of Biotechnology. His latest book, The New Harvest: Agricultural Innovation in Africa, was published by Oxford University Press in 2011. He's currently working on books on engineering for development and resistance to new technologies.
The way I think about technology, and this is based on just observing trends in the last 2 decades, is to distinguish between platform technologies and individual applications or devices. If you look at, say, advances in information and communications technologies, you can divide it up into 2 very clear sections. Those that relate to devices, mobile phones as devices. But if you look at the underlying base, which is the knowledge base, which is the information and communication as a platform technology, it has a huge impact on a very wide range of sectors. It affects the way we provide medical care, the way we monitor changes in the environment. It affects every aspect of our life. But much of the focus has been on the devices, and then it gets reduced to kind of single applications. So if you look at it in terms of platform technologies, we've already seen the benefits of information and communications technologies that are not being debated anymore. The next frontier is really going to be genomics, our advanced understanding in the way organisms function and being able to decode basically the software behind living organisms and get to a point where we can start to make adjustments and modifications in that software to serve human needs, to solve environmental problems. So the combination between information and communications technologies and advances in genomics is going to create huge opportunities for developing countries to, in fact, leapfrog many of the challenges that they have today, whether it's challenges related to production of food or challenges related to management of the environment.